May I come in, sir?
Come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Take a seat. Thank you, sir.
Manan Pamecha,
Yes, sir.
give a brief introduction about yourself.
Sir, I belong to Bijnor district of Uttar Pradesh. I did my primary education from Aligarh University. Later, I came to Noida for pursuing my graduation. I did my graduation in biochemical engineering. Currently, I am in Indian Revenue Service under training in Firouzabad.
Tell me that you are a member of a civil services. Why is the engineering aspiring to become civil servant and they are not pursuing their career in the core engineering?
Sir, the first thing is the employability issue. The kind of engineers they are producing, their employability is very low.
But my concern is that the more of the engineer passed out from the engineering colleges and universities is still choosing to be civil services.
So the first thing is the respect that is associated with the civil services often attracts many graduates and engineering graduates to pursue towards it. And I will say the kind of examination pattern that civil services offers, like the prelims paper and the logical reasoning, it also helps many engineering graduates to crack these papers because they are used to it.
Sir,
So Manan, don't you think the perception in Indian bureaucracy, everything was not good? So what factor worrying the Indian bureaucracy?
Sir, first I will say the nature of recruitment. It is a generalized manner of recruitment. The people are not from any specific background which is needed. For example, Indian Foreign Service requires a domain expertise in international relations. And secondly, I will say the recruitment process needs a top level expertise who will supervise all working. Obviously, second, I will say the corruption which is there in Indian bureaucracy, which is a major cause of concern.
What's your personal opinion on the age eligibility for writing the examination?
Sir, I think the current age that is 32 to 35 years, it is very high. It should be reduced. If a person is preparing and not recruiting at that age, it's very difficult for him or her to find a next job. Secondly, I think that at the age of 26, 27, 28 or 29, the mindset and the nature of the person gets established. It's very difficult to mold that person according to the needs of administration. If we will reduce the age criteria of the recruitment, personally I think it should be reduced to 25 years. If it's reduced to that, civil services will have a bright future because of the qualities that administration needs, it can be fulfilled by them.
sir, what do you believe is the reason of the hostility against diversity and particularly against the minority?
So firstly, I think that it's the erosion of culture. Recently, that attack happened in the New Zealand, and the theory that came out is the Great Replacement. That they are being invaded by the invaders, and they have the threat of other communities. There is a certain mentality of the peoples that their community is being threatened by the other community, and thus this lead to this situation.
Manan, you did your electronic and communication engineering and you are also a student of geography. You have to answer it properly. That electronic waste has become wider and what no protocol to set the electronic waste. What believe that no trouble that convenience?
Coming of technology brings certain problems also, because these products are just made up of natural product, but the disposal is very tough because of the handling of this waste is around 90% is done by the unorganized sector of the country. Uh, if we say around 80 lakh ton of e-waste is generated annually, then it's very difficult to dispose them.
What do you think about the policy of UPA government to shooting in the lakes?
Encounter.
Yes.
I will say it's a very reactive reaction uh, to solve this problem, but according to me, it cannot be solved properly because the encounter itself has a negative connotations, like the police is killing the criminals, so it cannot be properly solved.
What is the sex ratio of UP?
919.
919 what?
919 per 1009.
Do you think India is becoming intolerant?
According to me, I will not say it's becoming intolerant, but because of the presence of huge diversity and pluralism, it's been from the history of India, from the history to medieval to the present time. The conflict between the ideas of the many communities, we say majority or minority, when these ideas interact and conflict with each other, it causes a situation of intolerance. We can't properly say that it's the proper reason of intolerance, but yes.
In a democracy, it is said that rule of majority. But democracy also said that respecting the rights of minority. If you have to choose between the two of them, what will you choose?
So, according to me, it's not binary that we have to choose. The certain rights, the fundamental rights, if we see in our constitution, it provides respect and ownership to each and every citizen of our country under a particular article 20.
Thank you so much, Manan. Your interview is over.
Thank you, sir.
ये मैं ये ना
Thank you, sir. Good morning, Shivam. Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, Shivam, you will give introduction about yourself?
Yes, sir. Sir, myself Shivam. I am from Haryana. I have completed my graduation from Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi. I have done my graduation in biochemical engineering and biotechnology. I tried to explore myself in various other fields. I was involved in singing, as well as I was also involved in singing, music, and
So, what are you doing nowadays?
volleyball in the school.
So, what are you doing nowadays?
Right now, I am preparing for exam.
So, now you are unemployed.
Yes, sir.
What is the use of a technological process if you are working as an administrator? This is why India is lagging behind the technological progress.
I decided to appear for civil services. After toward the end of my education, so going to ICICI Bank offered many financial necessity for me because I did not want to prepare. I wanted to have financial necessity for me.
So, are you confident as an administrator you are contribute to nation building much more better than a biotechnical engineer or scientist?
Sir, I think I will contribute in a much more constructive way because of two reasons. First is my passion, and second is my inner calling toward this. Because throughout IIT, I have felt that there are two worlds. First, which is wealth, which is rich, which is prosperous. But there are status of society which they need basic necessity of life are missing.
Wealth disparity widening consistently in India. Around 1% of Indians have contribute to the 73% of wealth, and 99% will contribute to 27%. What measure you will take as an administrator to least widening the disparities?
Sir, I believe that we want to grow our workforce, especially which workforce that are not good for nation. I would make sure that in my district as an administrator, two basic necessities are available. First is more accessible and more affordable manner. The first and second thing are to contribute to unfold themselves.
You are assuming that you will be an IS officer and be a IPS officer and be a superintendent of police. What measure you will take?
I will ensure that the poor. I think they are most and worst people affected by inequality and somebody who can have not enough capacity to fight with cases. especially when they are caught up in a legal battle. I will ensure the safety of women is especially available.
So, do you know the old name of Taiwan?
Sir, can I take a minute?
Yeah, you can.
Sorry, sir, I can read about it.
Okay. So, Shyam, you belongs to Haryana.
Yes, sir.
When we see about the literacy rate, especially the woman literacy rate, do you know what's the woman literacy rate of Haryana?
Sir, it is about 66%.
Okay.
Plato said that only clever people have should right to vote. If we modify it and said that only educated people have right to vote and contest in election, don't you think Indian democracy will increase their democracy right?
I believe that being more educated is not more informed and more knowledge to exercise. Even we can see that illiterate people have more knowledge.
Then why this criteria is not eligible for the civil services? Why not take anybody?
Sir, because there is a lot of responsibility on such a people, we should not leave it to be chance. As an administrator or civil servant, you have a lot of responsibility.
Shivam, you are feeling little stressed. Let's take some water and can you take a job for us?
No, sir, nothing is coming to my mind.
It's okay then, sir. Who is the volleyball captain of Indian team?
No, sir, I will read about it.
Say, who is the president of India?
Ramnath Kovind.
Okay, Shivam. Thank you so much. You may leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.